Okay, so here is triangle ABC, and we're gonna rotate it right, and we're gonna rotate it left 90 degrees, and then we're gonna rotate it 180 degrees using a table method. So first thing we do is I'm gonna write over here in red with the pencil. I'm gonna write A, B, C. Those are the points on my pre-image. This is the pre-image. And then I'm gonna write, whoops, oh, I got something with red still. I'm gonna write X and Y because these are gonna be my coordinates that I have to pull off of the table. And then I'll pick blue for my next one, I guess. And then I'm gonna do, I guess DEF. This should be a different color. We'll do DEF. Get over here. Why didn't I color? Oh, that's different. It's supposed to be black, and this one is supposed to be blue. Okay, we're gonna do DEF. While we're here first, I guess I could mean enough around the X prime and the Y prime. Okay, that's from the change in X. We're going to put this up here, the change in X and the change in Y of the resulting, this is going to be a rotating counterclockwise. And if you remember our counterclockwise rotation, let's see, a counterclockwise rotation algebraic description was X comma Y. That's going to be what goes in here, rotates, and then for a counterclockwise rotation of 90 degrees, our X becomes our Y coordinate and our Y becomes negative X, or Y becomes negative X for a 90 degree rotation of, oh, that's wrong. Sorry, that's all wrong. It's backwards. It's for a 90-degree rotation. It's counterclockwise. It's negative Y because the X becomes negative, right? Crossing over the X-axis, and the X stays positive. Okay, but they flip-flop directions. That's how you know the rotation. So there's a good indicator there. Okay, and then we're going to call this triangle E, A, B, C, D, E, F. This will be D, E, and F. That's a sloppy E, but you get the idea. Okay, so these will be the coordinate pairs that were done. And what do we put right here? Well, we put negative Y, and we put X here. Okay, so this is going to go into this column, and whatever is here is going to go in this column, and we're going to turn it negative. So let's figure out what goes where. All right, so this is A. All right, so this is going to be here. This is going to be this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, comma 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 6 and 9. Our B is that's 6, 7, 8. X is 8. And then our C was 9. Well, that's 8, 7, 6. That'll be 8 and 6. Well, that's C. 8. And, oh, this is all messed up. Let's say 6 and 9. All right, so let's do So our B is 8. 1, 2. Our B is 8. That was right. But our B 1, 2, 3. 8 and 3. It's really messed up there. Okay. All right. So then our C is 1, 2, 3. That's our C value. X 5, 6y, 6y. All right, so those are our coordinate points for our 3 points of a triangle. Okay, so let's transfer our y's over first. So our y's become our x's, and then they become negative x's. So this is going to be negative 9. This is going to be negative 3. This will be negative 6. This should be blue. Negative 9. Negative 3. Negative 6. These are just going to be regular old numbers, non-negative. We're not going to change the sign of and 3. Okay, so here are our new coordinate pairs, D, E, and F. Okay, so let's plot negative 9 minus 6. All right, so we have negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 6. It's like right here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is D. This is D. It's D stuff. This is D. This is D. Okay, negative 9, 6. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, okay. Negative 9, 6. Oh, yeah, next is negative 3, negative 1, 2, 3, and 8. This was 6, and 7, 8. It is 8. There. Right there. Pretty close. And that is, it's going to be E. E. Okay, and then we have F is negative 6, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it's going to be 3 up. 1, 2, 3 up. And then we'll connect these 3. 1, 2. Here is. Okay, so now you can see that this is a rotation of A, B, C rotates 90-degree clockwise about the origin to D, E, F. Okay, so that's a 90-degree rotation to D, E, F. Okay, how much time did that take up? Let's take a look here. That was about 5 minutes. I think you guys get the other idea. Maybe I can do one more and have enough time left. I'll do yellow. Okay, so we're gonna do a 90-degree rotation of 2 of ABC. Since we have these already, we know that they're good. But we're gonna do X, Y, and it's gonna be, we're gonna use a 90-degree clockwise. Why does that say counterclock? This would be say counterclockwise. Right, then we're gonna do a clockwise rotation. So it's to the right. So it's gonna be XY equals Y comma negative X. Okay, so we're going to ignore this right now, but we're going to do our X and our Y. Or I call this one X, E, F, G, H, I, G, H, and I. And our delta K, our delta X, and our delta Y are going to be a Y and a negative X. It's kind of like backwards what it was before. So this is a rotation clockwise of negative of this one. All right, so we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna take our 9, and it's gonna go over here, and it's gonna become 9. All right, take our 3, and it's just gonna become 3. Take our 6, and it's just gonna become 6. Here we're gonna take our 6, and it's gonna become negative 6 because of the negative sign up here. This will become 8, and it'll become negative 8 because of the negative sign in front of the 3. Then it's going to be 3. It's going to become negative 3. Okay, see, it's plotting this goes a little smoother than last time. All right, so point G is going to be 9 and negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be somewhere about right here. So this is point G. We have 3 comma negative 8. So negative 1, negative 2, that's negative 3. And we have negative 8. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our point H. Point H. H. We have point I is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 3 is right there. And then that is our point I. The dots. See, that is a rotation of our triangle. It might look a little different because of the scale. But that's that. Okay. So that is the process. It works pretty well, I think. And that's our rotation. This is a rotation 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. We're going to pick C there, and it's a 90-degree rotation of C to I. C to F to I. 90 degrees. So about the order. All right, so hopefully that works, helps you guys. Maybe G's a little far. 9, 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a little far. I thought it was a little far. I thought it looked a little fat. Yeah. Be kind of like this. Kind of like that. That looked a little bit fatter than the other one did. So yeah, kind of like that instead. Okay, well anyway, that's what happens when you're off one mark. Well anyway, hope this clears it up a little bit. Anyway, if you got any questions, please feel free to ask or criticize, and probably won't hurt my feeling. See you next time. Bye.